Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. As you can see, Elmer's engine number 2 is still unclaimed. What this tells me is that not all of my subscribers are watching all of my videos, and that's okay. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. I mean, I don't watch every single video of all the people I'm subscribed to either. I mean, who really has time to do that sort of thing? That is a lot of content. But what it does do is it hinders my ability to limit the drawings to just my subscribers, which is what I was wanting to do. Because I could hold 100 different drawings and still not come up with somebody who will claim this thing. So what we're going to have to do is I'm going to open up the drawing to basically everyone who watches this video. If you want to be entered into the drawing, just leave a comment on this video and you will have an entry. Now, I am limiting it to 1 entry per person. And the way that I'm going to do that is I will take everybody's name and put it in an Excel spreadsheet as I did before, and then use the random number generator. That way I can ensure that there's only going to be 1 entry per person. Now, I do encourage you to leave multiple comments. I do enjoy talking with you guys through the comments. So that's the way we're going to do it this time. And hopefully the winner will claim the prize this time. I'm going to leave this video up for 1 week. At the end of 1 week, I'm going to temporarily pull it down so that nobody else can comment on it. Then I will take all the names and put them in the spreadsheet, and then we'll do a video of the drawing. So that'll do it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.